Are you noticing patterns in your life that seem to repeat, even when you try to change them? Consider the story of David, a successful professional living in Ridgewood, New Jersey. On the surface, he had it all: a good job, a loving family, and a beautiful home. Yet David struggled with intense anxiety in social situations and often felt isolated, despite being surrounded by people. He couldn't understand why until he began to explore his past. A traumatic childhood experience, long buried, was unconsciously shaping his present-day interactions, making him believe he wasn't truly safe or accepted. Past trauma isn't just a memory. It's an experience that gets deeply woven into the fabric of our being, influencing our thoughts, emotions, and even physical responses. Our nervous system, in an attempt to protect us, can remain on high alert, even long after the danger has passed. This can manifest as anxiety, depression, difficulty forming healthy relationships, chronic pain, or a general feeling of being stuck. Our body remembers what our conscious mind might have tried to forget, continually reacting to triggers in the present, as if the past is still happening. It's time to begin gently acknowledging these connections. Take a moment to reflect. Are there any persistent emotions, physical sensations, or recurring patterns in your life that you can trace back to a difficult past experience? Simply observing these connections without judgment is the first step toward healing. You might find it helpful to journal about any strong feelings or reactions that come up throughout your day. What recurring patterns or emotions have you noticed in your life that might be linked to past experiences? Share your insights in the comments below. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. For more resources on healing trauma and building resilience, subscribe to our channel and explore our related videos.